everyone, welcome back to Mystic Pour Studio. It's summertime, so let's add some beach vibes to your home. To start, let's mix the resin with the hardener. My product is a 2:1 ratio. I'm dividing the mixture into 4 parts as I'll be using 4 colors. The first color is a light blue with a turquoise touch. Next, I'm adding a darker shade of blue. A few drops of brown color give the effect of sand on the beach. And lastly, I'm incorporating white for the waves. We will start by pouring in the brown color, which will give the effect of the beach. Next, I am adding the light blue color, which will give the effect of water near the land. Lastly, add the dark blue color for a nice ocean effect. Make sure that the mold is completely filled with all the colors and no edges are left empty. Pop out all the bubbles with the help of a blowtorch. Now I am randomly going to put in the white color for the waves, specifically putting it on the edges where the two colors are merging, which will make it more natural. I am using a straw to blow on the white color for a wavy effect. A blowgun can also be used, but given the small size of the coasters, I am using the straw for a more controlled result. Give a light swirl to all the colors for a natural effect and blend them together. Tap the molds gently to bring all the bubbles to the surface. With the help of a blowtorch, once again pop out all the bubbles. Wait for at least 24 hours for the coasters to cure completely. It's time to demold. I'm very excited. All 4 coasters are completely cured. These have turned out exactly as I had expected. The waves look absolutely natural and beautiful. To enhance the coaster's appearance, I'll draw on the edges with the golden marker. This will give the coasters a perfectly glamorous and finished look. And with that, we are done. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.